Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Niceboy HIVE Pins 3 Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing with your device or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if you're getting sound out of only the left ear or only the right ear, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. You will need to set them up again because they will be disconnected from everything, which brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can start fresh by pairing them with a new device, we can go ahead and do this. The first step in the process is just to put them in the case and close the lid. And once you do that, go to whatever devices they have previously been connected to and have those devices forget these earbuds. You can go ahead and turn Bluetooth off. Once you do that, you can open the case up, take the earbuds out, and then you're going to simultaneously tap 5 times on the multifunction button on the back of the earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you do the 5 taps, the earbuds will make an audible sound and they will turn off. At that point, you can go at they're basically reset. You can put them back in the case, close the lid, open the lid, take them back out, and repair them as a new set of earbuds.